ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz, and welcome to Te Tai Tokero, the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand. I grew up here on the family farm with my brother John Boy, my dad Frank, my mum Kim, and Zion the dog. Are you ready to come on some epic little missions with me? Mean, hoa ke tātou. And today, Dad used all of the milk, so I'm on a mission to get some more. I go to work with John Boy. I write my very own rap. And I go on a mission to build a cool-ass hut.
Morning, good morning, rise and shine. Today's the day I make you mine. The sun is rising over the hay. I know it's gonna be a wonderful day. So morning, good morning, rise and shine.
Oh, kia ora, my cousins. I'm just making some parakuihi. Breakfast is my favourite meal of the day, and it's important to have a good kai in the morning so you have lots of energy for the rest of the day. I'm having some chocolate cereal this morning. Got my cereal, my bowl, I've got my spoon. Pātara milk is empty. The bottle of milk is empty. Hey, Dad, did you drink all the milk again?
Hey, we had a milk.
Yeah, and whoever it was left the empty bottle in the fridge.
Who would do such a thing?
No respect. Oh, well, I know the perfect place to get some more midaka. Hoa ke tātou. Oh, Buzz the Cuz back at it again on another amazing adventure. Tipene!
Yo, Buzz, is that you?
Yeah, my cuz.
What up, cuz? You all good?
Dad used all the miraka again. Do you think I can come over and get some more?
You know the drill, cuz. Do the mahi, get the treats.
Amazing, thank you. I'll see you soon, my cuz. Come on, my cuzzies. This is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna get some milk for my parakuihi, but not from Tipene. Nah, I'm gonna get it from the original, the Koji. I'm going straight to the source. That's right, I'm gonna milk some cows. Wow. Oh, kia ora, ladies. Ko Buzz tōku ingoa, no te tai tokerau ahau. Yeah, I'm Buzz the Cuz, and I'm from the far north of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Oh, where are you from? Germany. Oh, guten Tag. And what about you? Where are you from? The Netherlands. Oh, kia ora. Ooh, well, a little bit about myself. I'm Buzz the Cuz. I love epic missions. I like epic missions that start on the beach and then end up in the Ngāhere and find myself somewhere back in the garden. But now I'm here today helping to milk ewes. So I was like, is that a taniwha or something like that? I was trying to figure it out anyway, you know?
Up to, cuz.
Oh, nah, just being friendly.
Oh, yeah, you want to be friendly? Go open up that gate then.
Oh, they don't call me friendly gate opener Buzz for nothing.
Is that what they call you, eh?
Nah, but they should. Oh, cuzzies, this is Tavia and Tipene. Tickle, tickle. Oh, I gotta open the gate. Oh, lock that back up. Come on!
Oi, oi, oi. Mate, oi.
There are so many different types of cows in the world, but these cows are Friesians. Hey, did you know that cows have super sensors? They can smell up to 10 kilometres away. And what's even better, they can predict the weather. Imagine if they were weather reporters. Kia ora, I'm a cow, and welcome back to the weather. Today on the Pāmu, we have a high of 27 degrees and a low of 11 degrees. Expect occasional showers until evening, and there is also a low front coming in from the south.
Oh, Buzz, chop to our.
Oh, come on, move. This is the milking shed. This is where all the magic happens. All right, let's milk some cows. Things can get really dirty and wet in the cow shed, so I've got my apron, I've got my gumboots on, some gloves, and my mana. Let's milk some cows. Karawe! The middle lane is where we stand, and the lanes on the side is where the cows stand. We need to count our 43 cows per lane.
Oh, before we get started, though, you got to watch out for the cows. As you put the cups on, you know they might kick you. The floors are slippery. You got to watch out for that. The cups, make sure you don't walk into them. You don't want to hurt your head. Pretty much it, eh? Yeah. Just get your job done and we sweet.
Yee! Hey, I've got a joke. Why did the cow cross the road?
Why?
To get to the other side. Let's do it! Ah, 43 done, 395 to go. Oh, I love milking. I love milking cows heaps. Ah, all this milking has made me hungry. I can't wait for my parakuihi, but we're not done yet. So what's this thing, my cuz?
Oh, this thing here, this is the vat. This is the thing that collects all of our milk from all the cows we've been milking. So it goes through all these lines over there, around the corner. And then it just ends up in here, this big thing. And after that, it gets processed. A big truck comes over, picks it up, and turns it into your bottles at home in the fridge.
Mana! Come on, cousins, let's feed the cows. Whoa, they sure are hungry. I can't wait for my parakuihi.
Up to cuz.
Oh, I'm just thinking about my parakuihi, cuz.
Oh, if you're gonna have breakfast, you're gonna need this.
Oh, thank you, my cuz. The milk has been obtained.
All good, cuz. Shuffle the mahi, eh? I'll go look after the cows. You go have your breakfast.
Thank you, my cuz. Mā te wā! Another perfect mission and another perfect parakuihi. All right, karakia mō te kai. Nau mai ngā hua e hora nei I whakatipu a nuku, I whakatipu a rangi, haumi e hui e, taiki e.
Buzz's milk? Ah, no respect.
Yep, moving over. Yep, bring it in. All right, bring it through. Bring it through. Yeah, I'll load you in a second. Oh, Brazil, the best diner in the world. Oh, thank you so much, Carl. Swiveling. Kia ora, Buzz the Cuz speaking.
Cheer, bro.
It's my brother, John Boy.
What are you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Are you playing on that broken digger again?
How did you know? What are you up to?
We just had some of our big machines come back to the headquarters.
Just wanted to know if you want to come and check it out. Buzz?
Buzz?
Check it out! Look at all these massive machines! Oh, they're so huge! John Boy, what does that one do?
That one there carts metal.
Come on! Whoa! That's almost as tall as it, John Boy. Look! Oh, far out. What does this one do?
This is a water cart. This wets the road.
What does it carry?
Water.
Perfect. I love water. Come on! What goes in that trailer?
Metal goes in that trailer and then it dumps out the bottom.
Fly mai! What's that thing over there?
Oi! Slow down. It's not safe to run around.
Sorry, John Boy. Whoa! Check out this. What's that called?
That's called a bobcat.
Oh, Bobcat. I want a cat. Hey, what are the chains for?
That's to tie it down so you don't fall off on the road.
Oh, that's like safety chains.
Yep, safety chains.
Let's keep going. Wah! Check that out. Hongi. Big trucks. Huge truck. Kia ora, my cuzzies. Buzz the Cuz back at it again on another amazing adventure. I've lost John Boy. I don't know where he is. Is he over there? Can't see him. Maybe he's over there. Whoa! What is this?
This is a roller.
What does that do?
It compacts the ground.
Oh, they see me rolling. Hey, that one's cute. Can I sit in there?
Yep, but don't touch anything.
Yes! Oh, John Boy, this is so cool. It's got a brush on the front. Come on, cuzzies. Shut that. Safety first, no running. Whoa, awesome. Yep, go up here. Amazing. Whoa, what's that, John Boy?
That's our water blaster. We have a lot of machinery that get quite dirty, so we bring it here to get nice and clean.
Can I have a go, John Boy, please?
Go on then.
Yes! was so much fun. Thank you, my cuz. Hey, John Boy. Hey, so if the machines get, like, hurt or broken, do they go to, like, a hospital?
It's kind of like a hospital. Come on, I'll show you.
Sweet. Shut my cuz.
And this is the workshop.
Whoa! This is amazing. Hey, what's that?
That's a hoist that lifts vehicles up and down.
Amazing.
And then we've got a welding bay over there, all the tools there, and spare parts over there. And we've got Andrew working over there.
Oh, kia ora, Andrew. Kia ora. Hey, John Boy, I got a joke. What machine is the sleepiest?
What?
A bulldozer. Classic.
You want to hear a construction joke?
Yeah.
I'm still working on it.
Oh, I get it. You're a crack up, John. Hey, what machine do you drive? John Boy, you're amazing. This is a massive ass machine. That's it. I want to be amazing like you and drive big machines as well.
Maybe you just stick to your broken digger, eh?
That's a great idea, John Boy. I can bring the broken digger to the hospital and then I can drive it. You're the man. Ka kite, bro.
Buzz, it doesn't work like that.
I'm a bird. No, I'm a giraffe. Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz La Cuz, and I'm off on an amazing adventure up into Te Taiao today. I'm going to go and find an awesome place to build a hut. Come on. What a beautiful day in Te Taiao. A perfect day for building a hut. Now, before you head out into Te Taiao, there are some rules you need to know. Tuatahi, always wear warm clothes. Rule tuarua, always bring your pātara away. Your water bottle. Rule tuatoru, bring a pakeke, an adult. I am an adult. Tell someone where you're going. All right. Dad, I'm going on an adventure up the back for a bit.
Sweet as.
I'm gonna build a mean-ass hut too.
All right, you be careful.
Rule number 4, ka tūpato. Be careful when you're out there, te whānau. Come on. Wow, whakarongo. I can hear so many sounds. What's that, Rako? The trees are trying to tell me something. Oh, ka pai. Come on, cuzzies. There's something really important I have to show you. Rule number 5, ahi kore. We aren't allowed any fires here. Our rako and whenua become so dry that any flame can cause a massive fire. Look what happened here. But look, the new growth is coming up from the soil. The ngahere will be back to normal in no time. Come on, we're almost there. Put it in here. Could maybe set it up. Is that... Oh, that's a bit too small. Oh, that looks cool over there. Ah, this is the perfect spot for my hut. Check it out. This rako has fallen in the right place and I can use it for the top of my roof. Oh, I'm ready. Get ready, get steady. Gonna build a hut, get ready, get steady. Ooh, they should call me Ruapak. Ooh, solid. Hey, I should get my notebook out and then we can start designing my hut. Come on. Ka pai. Right, I have some pepper and I have my penne rako. All right, let's stand back and see what we can design. Perfect! Check it out! This is gonna be my hut. Okay, all we have to do now is clear some space so we can begin building. Come on! Ah. All right, what are we gonna do? Let's move this first. Move it there. Titiro, I can use this piece of manuka to help build my hut. Hey, manuka's gonna be one of the main materials we use for building my hut. Manuka's been used for years and years for heaps of different things. Hey, but before we use any for building my hut today, we need to do a mihi te tāne. Come on. Tāne te wao nui. Tāne te matua o te ngāhere. Kia u tō mana. Tēnei au e mihi ana ki a koe mō o tamariki. Ti hei. Mauri ora. Ka pai. I've got most of my equipment out. I just have a few more things in my kete. Another hammer and, oh yes, my pocket knife. Ka pai. This is all my stuff. So, I have my hammock for laying in. I have my water bottle for holding water. Oh, I have my saw. That's gonna help me out for if I need a karini rako. Kia tūpato. I've got 2 hammers. I've got a rope for fastening. My pocket knife. I have a box of nails, and I also have my tarp for my roof. Ooh, this is gonna be amazing. Now I just need to collect some rako for my walls. Come on! Hey, these look like good rako for my walls. I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. Right, through there, careful, careful. All right, here we go. Safety first, my cuzzies. Make sure that the wood is secured so it doesn't move around and keep your hand away from the blade. Here we go. Ka pai, just like that. Now, safety message. When you're hammering, make sure you watch out for your fingers, and if you're finding it hard to get the nail into the rako, just tap it softly. Just like that. Always keep your eye on the end of your nail. Check it out! I've almost finished my walls. I've laid some rako down this way, and then I put some rako up like that and braced it with my rope. All I have to do now is put some manuka shrub in there so it keeps the wind out and it keeps my hut nice and warm and cozy. Let's do it. Ka pai, only a few more pieces of manuka shrub to put in. Kia ora. Ka pai! Now that I have the structure of my hut built, I need to put the tarp on the roof to make it waterproof. Let's do it. All right, we'll just open my tarp out. Ka rawe! Now that my roof is secured, it's time to set up my moinga. The ground can get really cold, so it's important to make your moinga off the ground. There's heaps of ways to make your moinga, but today I'm gonna use a hammock. Let's set it up. Meke. Hey, what do I need now? Oh, that's right. I need something to make it all cozy. Come on! No mai haere mai ki Buzz Huts. 5 stars on Chair B&B, comes fully equipped with a roof, some walls, a comfy hammock, so there's no need for a floor. It's just you, your gumboots, papa tuanuku e tāne mahuta. Mauri ora. Woo! All of this hard mahi has made me tired. I think it's time for a rest.
Oh, the honeybees again.
It's so rainy outside. What can I do? What can I do? Eat another crumpet. Play dominoes with Zion. No, he'll beat me. Have a little nap. Hey, I know the perfect thing to do on a wet and rainy day like this. I could write a rap about the weather. All I need now is some pepper and a pene rākau. Taiho, cuzzies. Ka pai, I've got my pepper and my pene rākau. Now, where to start? I know, I can choose a word and then I can see how many rhyming words I can make. Okay, here we go. All right. Kupu tuatahi, ua, rain. Ua, ua, ua. Rua. Tua. Te whenua. Ooh. Okay, that's enough. How about rain? Okay, rain. Brain. Train. Lane. Okay, that'll be enough for that. All right, what else do I want in there? Oh, I know. I want to have some atua in there. I want to have Tāwhiri Mātea, God of the weather, in there. And then I want to have Ranginui, Sky Father, and I want to have Papa Tuanuku, our Earth Mother. Ka pai. Oh, and I could talk about how the weather is just so powerful. Ooh, and how if you listen to the rain long enough, it starts to sing to you. Ooh, that's perfect. Ka pai. I think that's enough. Now all I have to do is put it into a rap and then we can do it. All right, let's go. Okay, so... Ka rawe! I think I'm ready to present my rap to you, my cuzzies. Rehe ko! Return of the rap, cuz he raps and acts funny, and it's ready today. Let me tell you now, that's something. Cause I was bored before, but when I looked out the door, I saw the rain falling and it started to pour. I saw it was an atua, God of the weather, even better there, who were falling down onto the whenua. Rain, it beats the land and the land starts to grow. Papa tuanuku, cuz you already know. Ranginui in the sky, way, way up above, and you're chilling with Tāwhiri Mātea and Buzz, cuz rain, rain, ua, rain, 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 ua, rain.